Friends, today we are going to discuss MCQ questions based on your chapter 1 class 10th science for the term 1 exam 2021 and 22. Now these MCQ questions are of three types will be coming. One general MCQ, second assertion region and third case study. We will discuss all three types. First one is, before burning in air the magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with a sandpaper. So the options are making the ribbon surface shiner, remove the layer of magnesium oxide from the ribbon surface, remove the layer of magnesium carbonate from the ribbon surface, or remove the moisture from the ribbon surface. So the answer is B option. You can also write C option, it is also correct, but B is more correct. In a chemical reaction between sulfuric acid and barium chloride solution, the white precipitate formed are of, it is barium sulfate, sodium chloride and barium sulfate. So the barium sulfate is the option. Third is the respiration process during which glucose undergoes slow combustion by combining with oxygen in cells of our body to produce energy is a kind of. So the respiration process is exothermic process, heat energy is released. So you have to remember this. A chemical reaction does not involve what? Formation of new substances having entirely different properties than that of the reactants, breaking of old chemical bonds and formation of new chemical bonds, rearrangement of the atoms of the reaction to form new product, changing of the atoms of one element into those of the another element to form new product. So first three are correct, fourth one is wrong. Next is, one of the following process does not involve a chemical reaction, that is melting of candle wax when heated, it is a physical change, burning of candle wax, digestion of food and ripening of banana, all are chemical. It is necessary to balance a chemical equation in order to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Others are the different laws. All the methods of mentioned below can be used to prevent the food from getting rancid, except, rancid means kharab hona, storing the food in airtight containers, storing the food in refrigerators, keeping the food in clean and covered containers, always touching the food with clean hands. So we have to do 3 and 4 are wrong, first and second are correct. Rusting of iron involves a chemical reaction which is a combination of oxidation as well as combination reaction. When ferrous sulfate is heated strongly, it undergoes decomposition to form ferric oxide as a main product, accompanied by a change in color from green to brown. Which of the following gases is used in storage of fat and oil contained foods for a long time? Nitrogen gas is used. The displacement reaction between iron oxide and a metal X is used for welding the rail tracks. Here X is aluminium dust. It's a highly thermite reaction के नाम से भी इसको जानते हैं भाई, thermite reaction. The neutralization reaction between an acid and base is a type of double displacement reaction. Now the another second type, assertion and region type questions. In this 4 options are there. If both are correct and R is the correct expression, then A option. If both are correct but R is not the correct explanation, then B. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. So you have to remember A, B, C, D. First is assertion. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an example of exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction are those reaction in which heat is evolved. Correct. इसमें हम करके भी देख सकते हैं. अगर जो है वेजिटेबल मैटर को आप एक जो है पॉट खोद कर उसमें कुछ दिन के लिए रख दें, थोड़े दिनों बाद वो डिकम्पोज होगा और उसको मिट्टी को आप टेम्परेचर नोट करोगे तो टेम्परेचर विल बी हायर. सो इट इज़ ए exothermic reaction. When HCl is added to zinc granules, a chemical reaction occurs. Evolution of gas and change in color indicate the chemical reaction is taking place. So here the both are correct, but the reason is not for the assertion. So B option will be there, because we are saying that chemical reaction is taking between zinc granules and HCl. We are not talking of this. We are just talking of the simple reactions type. Calcium carbonate when heated gives calcium oxide and water. On heating calcium carbonate, decomposition reaction takes place. So calcium carbonate is CaCO3. When heated gives calcium oxide and water. So A is wrong, B is correct. So the option will be D. Brown fumes are produced when lead nitrate is heated, and nitrogen dioxide gas is produced as a byproduct due to the decomposition of lead nitrate. So both are correct and reason is also correct. So answer is A. White silver chloride turns grey in sunlight. Decomposition of silver chloride in presence takes place to form silver metal and chlorine gas. So in this also both are correct and region is also correct. Pungent smell gas is produced when sulfur burns in air, and sulfur trioxide is formed on reaction of sulfur with oxygen. So the first A is correct, but reason is wrong. So that's why the C option. In a reaction of copper with oxygen, copper serves as a reducing agent. The substance which gains oxygen in chemical reaction acts as a reducing agent. So the substance which gains oxygen in a chemical reaction is as a reducing agent. Both are correct and the option is A. In electrolysis of water, the volume of hydrogen liberated is twice the volume of oxygen. Water H2 has hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 1/2 in volume. So both in this, actually the A is correct, but the ratio is written wrong. It is 2/1. So that's why answer C. Corrosion of iron is commonly known as rusting, and corrosion of iron occurs in presence of water and air. So statements both are correct, but reason for A is wrong. So that's why B option. The balancing of chemical equation is based on law of conservation of mass, and the total mass of reactant is equal to the total mass of product. So if you read the statement, they are combining each other. That's why A and B both are correct and reason is also correct. In a balanced chemical equation, total mass of reactant is equal to the total mass of product. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical change. Again, both are correct, so A option. Now third type, case study questions we will see. 3 case study questions we will see. In each case study questions, you will get a paragraph and 5 questions will be there. Generally 4 questions can be easily answered from the paragraph. One is from the topic from the book. Like in decomposition reaction, a single reactant break down to form 2 or more products. So decomposition reaction is opposite to combination reaction, ये हमने पढ़ा है. Thermal decomposition reaction use the energy in the form of heat for decomposition of reactant. Electrolytic decomposition reaction involve the use of electric energy. The decomposition of reaction molecule, photolysis or photochemical reaction, decomposition involves the use of light energy for the purpose of decomposition. So basically decomposition reaction की सारी बातें कर रहे हैं मैम. Which of the following reaction is a decomposition reaction? So decomposition reaction में आपने याद क्या रखना है कि the reactant side only one will be there and the products will be more than one. So first C option, lead nitrate decomposed when Na is the given substance, so it is NO2. Then the amino acid is formed by the decomposition of which of the following component out of iodide? Amino acids जो है उससे protein. Silver chloride on exposure to sunlight form a long duration turns grey due to the formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride, decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride, oxidation. The correct statement. And which type of chemical reaction takes place when electricity is passed through water? Electrolytic decomposition. Next is, these are all the answers. First, when we say 2, it's C. Second, lead nitrate giving you 4NO. Third, amino acids, protein. Fourth, AgCl will be giving you, so it will be AgCl, Ag and Cl2. And fifth one is electrolysis of water is electrolytic decomposition. So all these are the correct answers. You can see the equations from this also. Now second case study question. In a chemical reaction, reactants are converted into products. The conversion of reactant into product in a chemical reaction is often accompanied by some features which can be observed easily. These easily observed features which takes place as a result of chemical reaction are known as characteristics of chemical reaction. Some important characteristics of chemical reactions are, किसी भी chemical reactions में क्या क्या characteristics होते हैं, जैसे evolution of heat, change in color, change in state, formation of precipitate and change in temperature. So on the basis of this we have to answer 5 questions. Reaction of magnesium with air. When the magnesium is reacting with air, it is an exothermic, endothermic, reversible reaction and substitution reaction. In the following reactions, the precipitate of calcium is formed. So you can see answer first is A. Reaction of magnesium with air is an exothermic. Second, in following reaction, calcium hydroxide is a white color solid. So this will be the option. In the given reaction, SO2 is in which nature? It is in gaseous nature. And which one of the following process involves chemical reaction? So it is D. Heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. You can see chemical reaction takes place. Copper reacts with oxygen to form a thin layer of copper oxide on the surface of metallic copper. And fifth one is, which of the following reaction high amount of heat energy will be evolved? So on burning of LPG, high amount of energy will be evolved. You can check all the answers from here also. Now the third and last case study question. Read the following answer 4 questions from 10.1 to 10.5. Oxidation has damage effect on metals as well as food. The damaging effect of oxidation on metal is studied as corrosion and that of food is studied as rancidity. ये हमारा लास्ट टॉपिक है चैप्टर 1 का. The phenomena due to which metals are slowly eaten away by reaction of air, water and chemical present in atmosphere is called corrosion. For example, iron articles are shiny when new but get coated with reddish brown powder when left for some time. This process is known as rusting of iron. Rancidity is the process of slow oxidation of oil and fat present in the food material resulting in change of smell and taste. So the different answers are: first question, rancidity can be prevented by. So there are three things: adding of antioxidants, packing of oily food in nitrogen. So both A and B options are correct. So the answer will be C. Combination of phosphorus and oxygen is an example of. Now when the combination of phosphorus and oxygen, it is an example of oxidation process. Remember it. Third is, a science teacher wrote the following statement about rancidity: when fats and oils are reduced, they become rancid. In chip packet, rancidity is prevented by oxygen. Rancidity is prevented by adding antioxidants. So third is C option. You will write third only. That means rancidity is prevented by adding antioxidants. The two statements are given below regarding rusting of iron. The rusting of iron is a redox reaction and reaction occurs as given. The metallic iron is oxidized to and oxygen is CO2. So select the correct statement. It is only first one is correct, second is wrong. Which of the following measures can be adopted to prevent or slow down rancidity? So we have studied so many. That is, packaging oily food in nitrogen gas is correct, and none of these. So food material should be packed in airtight containers, food should be refrigerated, food material and cooked food should be kept away from direct sunlight. So when we see it 1, 2 and 3, you can see fifth is D part. That is 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Thanks for watching it. Hope you understand it well. You will get the MCQs and all types of question of second chapter in 1 or 2 days. Thank you.